You can pair AudioLink with any Bluetooth-enabled phone, tablet, and many other Bluetooth devices. You can also use the Audio Key app via your AudioLink once it is paired. To pair AudioLink with a Bluetooth device, first switch on AudioLink and make sure it is in standby mode. Only the status light should be active. Switch on the Bluetooth pairing mode by pressing the mix button and the mic button together for 2 seconds. The Bluetooth symbol will blink to show that AudioLink is ready to be paired. Make sure Bluetooth is activated on your device and search for available Bluetooth devices. Select MED-EL AudioLink and start pairing. If you are asked for a security key, enter 0000. When AudioLink and your Bluetooth device are successfully paired, the Bluetooth symbol will stop blinking and become a constant light. If no device is paired within 60 seconds, AudioLink will no longer be in Bluetooth pairing mode. Press the mix button and mic button together again for 2 seconds to put AudioLink back in Bluetooth pairing mode.